and next thing you're like, publish. This is a huge mistake you've been making, and this video is made to correct that mistake. What is the use of you coming to YouTube if it is not for you to get more views and get more subscribers? When you upload your video, YouTube algorithm will push it to different people. That's what is called YouTube recommendation. So by the time you do not allow the algorithm to recommend your videos, you will publish a video, and at the end of the day, like after how many weeks, you're even seeing just 10 views or 20 or 3 views, even 100 views is not enough if YouTube is really recommending your videos. So what do I do so that YouTube can recommend my videos? The YouTube algorithm does, after understanding your video, is they go and look who is searching for it on YouTube, who is searching for it on Google. They will now direct your video to them. Okay, that's because the algorithm understands who your video is for. They know that whoever is searching for whatever is related to your title and your description and everywhere you have put your SEO, search engine optimization, they know that, okay, this video is for this person, so they just direct your video to them. Now let me go and explain each of the visibility icons so that it will be very clear, and tell you what you should do depending on your situation. I'll give you the best one you should use to ensure that you get more views. The first one that we're going to talk about is private. The private visibility icon. This one simply hides your video from everybody. Nobody has access to that video except you. So until you make it public, no one can see it, which is good. Okay, because we are here to discourage you from just choosing public. Number 2. So when you put your videos on unlisted, there is a link. Of course, every of your video has a link, okay? But here, anybody that has the link to that video will be able to watch it. So for instance, you placed your video on unlisted after uploading, and you send the link to a brother, or you send the link to a friend, or you send the link to Facebook or WhatsApp. Anyone that has access to that link will be able to watch the video. So the general public may not be able to watch the video because they don't have the link, but anyone that has the link to that video can watch it. And let me tell you what happens if you put your videos on unlisted and you're saying, my friend, help me watch it, and you forward the link. You're already disrupting the algorithm's work. Okay, so don't ever do that. Most of the time, that's why we just advise, okay, just put your videos on private. But for some reason, if you use some kind of software, maybe that want to scan, that want to help you with tags, want to help you with the right title, you can actually just put it on unlisted so that that software can access the information on the video, and the software will now pick all the words and do whatever it wants to do, whether give you a title, give you a description. That's the only reason you should put your video on unlisted. If not, put it on private. Number 3, members only. By the time you have gotten to the monetization threshold where you can have members, if you put your video on members only, only the members will be able to watch it. So that's another visibility icon, that I want only my members to watch it. I don't want the general public to watch this video. I want only my members. So you can put it on members only, and only the members that have subscribed to your membership in your channel, they are the only ones that will be able to watch that video. Number 4, members only to public. So here is what happens. If you click on members only to public, the members will have access to the video first, and later it becomes public, okay, depending on how you set it. The members, your members, the people that have subscribed to your membership, that have joined, it's called join. The people that have joined your membership, they will have access to the video first, and later on it will become public because you have chosen members only to public. That is how this visibility icon works. Number 5, public. So by the time you upload your video and you hit public, everybody sees the video. Okay, so what we're trying to say here is, before you even go to that aspect of public, if you must go there, you should make sure everything is ready, your timing is set, thumbnails is ready, your description, everything, so that you don't start going back and forth. You are editing and you have already made your video public. Make sure your audio is clear, your video is clear, and everything is clear before you go public, because it's actually a bad habit for you to be putting up video and you're, ah, no, I made a mistake, and you're going to remove it. It's not very good. It will also make some of your subscribers discouraged. Number 6, set as premiere. And most times it is movie people that do this. A movie is coming. They will tell you, by so time, expect this movie to become public. You can also do it with your video. So you just advertise the thumbnail. So everybody will be like, wow, by so time, this video is coming. I can't wait to watch it and everything. But this is really common with movie people. The last one, which is schedule, is the main one we want to talk about. So we have told you, don't make your videos public. Don't make your videos public. If possible, avoid unlisted so that no one actually has access to the video before it actually becomes public. This time around, number 7 is schedule, which is what you should actually do. So how do you schedule? Scheduling your videos is setting a particular time and a particular date for your videos to become public. So before your videos become public, the YouTube algorithm has enough time to ensure that they've scanned through, they know who they are pushing it to, they know the time that you have set for it to come public. They actually want you to schedule so that it doesn't even stress you. You schedule your videos. For instance, if I say, okay, I'll be in the office by 8 o'clock in the morning on a Monday morning, but I want my videos to be coming up every day. I schedule them. First, second, third of each month, I put the time. By so time, maybe if it is the 8 o'clock or in the afternoon, I will say maybe 2 o'clock, and the videos are coming up 2 o'clock every day. Meanwhile, I am busy doing other things. I'm not there pressing public, no, edit, no, because I have done everything down and I have set the timing and the date, and the video will come public at the right time. So let me go over to my YouTube studio to show you exactly how you can schedule your videos, so that it will be very easy for you after all the theory, after all the explanation. So, Blessing, how do I schedule my videos? Let's go over to my YouTube studio and I will show you exactly how to schedule your videos.
Practical way to schedule your video. You know, I want you to schedule your video because that is the best way the YouTube algorithm will help you plan to be able to recommend your videos at the right time to the right people. Let's go straight. So we're going to use this particular video, which is still on private. Okay. So here, for you to schedule it, you click on this particular arrow facing down. Click on the arrow facing down. You can see it's on private. We've talked about unlisted, we've talked about public, and we said don't choose public. So now we're going to click on schedule. Click on this arrow. We also talked about set as premiere, okay? And I explained all this in the video as I was explaining. This is asking you to schedule it for February 11, 2025. That's because today's date is 10th of February 2025. But I want to schedule this particular video for 14th of February 2025 for 4:30 p.m. So let's go. Click on the date, then choose 14th, okay? 14th, can you see 14th is showing already? Now the time, you can either click and start scrolling here. You can start scrolling here or just type. For me, I just prefer typing. So I'm just going to remove everything here and type the time I want. Very easy. 4:30 p.m. I put my system on caps lock. Then I put PM. I don't think it matters whether it's capital letter or, but since I can see capital letters here, I also want to put mine in PM. I also want to put mine in capital letters. So I'm just going to click on schedule. Now, click on schedule. I've clicked on schedule and my video is scheduled for 14th of February. Okay, so that's very easy. That is how to schedule your videos.
Come back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe if you have not and hit the notification bell. Like and comment. Do you know that if you comment strategically, you gain subscribers? So use this opportunity. Go in the comment section, make reasonable comments, and some comments that come, I can actually pin them when I see the value it is giving. Make comments that will make people say, wow, who is this person? and they will come to your channel and see. They may resonate with whatever you are doing on your channel, and you will just be getting subscribers. Thank you so much. Bye.